Hey guys, it's another video in, what do you call that? Oh yeah, it's Pet Simulator. And I'm joined with Pool Plays 23. Let's say hi to him. Hi, Pool. Okay, so now I've made the first video already, so now I'm gonna continue the second video, but better one, with my voice. I got a satchel, but it's getting better, so I tried to record this. Okay, getting it. Come on, quickly. You're not getting it, Pool Place. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just get this thing. This thing is really easy to get home. Get it? Yeah. Any chests? Wait a minute, what's that? Okay. Let's get this for a while. This. And this. Okay. Okay. Quickly. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this, I'm getting this big coin. Okay. I'm getting it. Oh, wow, I got 10, okay. Whoa. And I don't even know where. Just gonna. Okay, let's. Okay, upgrades. Okay. Okay. But I don't know. I got this, but where's my free pet? I don't even know where's my free pet. Such a ripoff. Okay. Do it quickly. Yes. Okay. Any other chests? I need 3 pets. Okay. Let's see this. This should be extra easy. Okay, a big coin here. There. I'll just go help the big guy. Okay. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Hey. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 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 Any chests? Chests? Where are you? Just gonna get this first. Okay. Well, I'm trying to balance this. Okay. And I like the. Okay. That's all about it. Yep. One of my pets will get that. And another of my pets get that. I'll go help this guy. Okay. Quickly. Okay. Get me monies. Money. Yeah, got me monies. People, we're getting our money. Monies. Money. Yeah, money. Give me the money. No. I don't care if you're better. No. You suck. Okay. Oh, this big coin there. Let me get it and get that. And later on, we'll buy a new pet. Oh, you think you're better? Yeah. And he's my fan. Wait, why does it even say fan? I don't know. What's OTC? Huh? What's OTC? Oh, no. Okay. Like this. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Okay. I think I'll just see any eggs that I want to save up to buy, or I'll buy the basic egg. IDK. Ooh, tier 1. I'm just gonna buy tier 1 for now. Yep. Ooh, that's, I don't know what kind of monster or beast that is. Let's see. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Seriously, dog. We have 3 dogs. Literally, 3 dogs. Wait a minute. Okay. Take out. Yay, my 3 dogs. My 3 doges. Premium shop. Oh, wait. What the? Oh, Dominus Fritz. Okay. And, okay. I don't know what that guy's talking about, but I clearly don't know what's OTC. Okay. There. I'll just wait for them to finish. Come on, wait. Let's go this guy. Okay, up this guy. Okay. Any chests? Why isn't there any chests? Chest? Where are you, chest? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just get 3 of those and we shall be. Oh my goodness, I'm getting this chest. I'm getting this chest. Chest. Oh yeah, baby. Chest. Open the chest. Quickly, come on. I wanna get some money. Money. Oh my god, that is good money. And I have, this thing is level 7, level 4 and level 2. Let's up this, guys. Okay. Point connection should be best. Any more? Let's just finish off this. Okay. I'm just gonna help this boy. Okay. Okay. This, and this. Okay. Any chests? No, we didn't get any. No. I'm so sad. At least we're gonna get this. No. Okay. Hey, stop stealing. No! Stop stealing, dumb. Okay. anymore. He's going in. So lucky. Okay. There we are. We need 2,500 money. Yay. What? Where's all my other pets? What? What the? Why do I only have one pet? Seriously? What? What is Bluezoo? Oh, IDK. Oh, there it is. Quickly. Ooh, there's one there. Go and get them. Okay. Get this. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's get these 3 coins here. Okay, so, okay, get these 3. Okay. No, you got those. Okay. 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 Done. We got 3 for each. Good job. I love you. Any more? Alright, got one there too. Okay. I'm gonna go. Oh, yeah. Oh, done. Yeah. Okay, when these guys are finished. Okay, so. No! No. I'm getting these pickles. No. No! Chest. Come on. We need to get a lot. Come on. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Got lots of level ups. Let's put his agility up a bit. Yeah. And let's see. Let's upgrade and let's add his agility. Okay, so let's upgrade this and let's add agility again. No, coin collection. Oh yeah, chest. There are 2 chests, by the way. Okay. We're doing it. Yes. Give me the money. Keep clicking. Never miss. Oh, that's a lot of money. Okay, no upgrade still. Oh, that chest is gone. No, I want the baby chest. You ain't giving me the baby chest? That's bad of you. Okay, that's okay. Hey! Such a bullier. Any other? Yes. Let's get it. Come on, let's go. And by the way, I think this video is going to end, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like and comment if you want more. So this is me signing off and always Be nice. Bye.